Hello friends, today we will discuss the linguistic and literary heritage of Bihar. So they are in multiple choice question form. First question is, which language is spoken in the northeast region of Bihar? Correct answer is C, Maithili. Maithili is predominantly spoken in the northeastern region of Bihar, particularly in districts like Darbhanga, Madhubani and Supol. It is one of the 22 scheduled languages of India and has a rich literary tradition recognized for its contributions to poetry and prose. Bhojpuri is more common in western and southern Bihar, while Maghi is spoken in areas like Patna and Gaya. Urdu is widely spoken but not region specific in this context. Question number 2. Who is considered the Shakespeare of Bhojpuri due to the contributions to the Bhojpuri literature and folk theatre? A. Ramvriksh Benipuri, B. Bhikhari Thakur, C. Vidyapati, D. Rahul Sankrityayan. Answer is B. Bhikhari Thakur. Bhikhari Thakur is widely regarded as the Shakespeare of Bhojpuri for his pioneering work in Bhojpuri language and literature, particularly through his development of Videsiya folk theatre tradition. His plays, poems, and songs addressed social issues and rural life, making him cultural icon in Bihar. Vidyapati is associated with Maithili literature, Ram Vriksha Benipuri with Hindi, and Rahul Sankrityayan with Hindi and Buddhist scholarship. Question number 3. Which of the following scripts was traditionally used in rural areas of Bihar's Patna and Bhagalpur divisions? A. Devanagari, B. Kaithi, C. Perso-Arabic, and D. Tirhuta. Answer is B. Kathi. The Kathi script was historically used in rural areas of Bihar, particularly in Patna and Bhagalpur divisions for writing Hindi and other regional languages. It was simplified script used for administrative and legal purpose before Devanagari became more prominent. Tirhuta is associated with Maithili while Perso-Arabic is used for Urdu. Devanagari is now standard for Hindi but was less common in rural Bihar historically. Question number 4. Who is the author of the Maithili text Varna Ratnakaran? A. Vidyapati, B. Jyotishwar Thakur, C. Mandan Mishra, D. Gopal Das. Correct answer is B. Jyotishwar Thakur. Jyotishwar Thakur, a 14th century poet, is credited with authoring Varna Ratnakaran, one of the earliest prose works in Maithili. This text is significant for its detailed description of medieval society and culture in Mithila. Vidyapati, another prominent Maithili poet, is known for his devotional and romantic poetry, but not for this specific work. Question number 5. When was Maithili included in 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? A. 2001, B. 2003, C. 2005, and D. 2007. Correct answer is B. 2003. Maithili was included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution in 2003, granting it official recognition as a scheduled language. This inclusion was a significant milestone for the promotion and preservation of Maithili language and literature, which has a rich history dating back to the 14th century when poets like Vidyapati and Jyotishwar Thakur were there. 6. Who launched the Hindi newspaper Yuvak in 1929? A. Kedarnath Mishra Prabhat, B. Rajkumar Shukla, C. Ram Vriksha Puri, D. Vidyapati. Correct answer is C. Ram Vriksha Puri. Ram Vriksha Puri, a prominent Hindi literature and freedom fighter from Bihar, launched the newspaper Yuvak in 1929. This publication was a platform for nationalist ideas and literary contributions in Hindi. Benipuri also founded the Bihar Socialist Party in 1931 and Congress Socialist Party in 1934, reflecting his multifaceted contributions to literature and social reform. Question number 7. Which language was given the status of the second Rajbhasha, official language in Bihar, in 1984? A. Maithili, B. Urdu, D. Answer is C. Urdu. Urdu was granted the status of the second Rajbhasha, official language in Bihar, in 1984 alongside Hindi, which is the primary official language. This decision recognized the significant Urdu-speaking population in Bihar and the language's contribution to the state literary and cultural heritage. Maithili, Bhojpuri and Maghi, while widely spoken, are not official language in this context. Question number 8. Who is known as the author of Gul-e-Nagma? Gul-e-Nagma, a notable work in Urdu literature from Bihar. A. Shad Azimabadi, B. Suhail Azimabadi, D. C. Dr. Azimuddin Ahmad, D. Ali Muhammad Shah. Answer is C. Dr. Azimuddin Ahmad. Dr. Azimuddin Ahmad is credited with composing Gul-e-Nagma, a significant collection of Urdu poetry from Bihar. Urdu literature in Bihar has a rich tradition, with poets like Shad Azimabadi and Suhail Azimabadi also making notable contributions. But Gul-e-Nagma is specifically associated with Ahmad. Question number 9. Which folk theatre tradition evolved by Satish Anand in 1984 draws from Bhikhari Thakur's Videsiya style? Answer is not A. Nautanki, B. Videsiya, C. Tamasha, D. Jatra. Answer is B. Videsiya. Satish Anand modernized Videsiya folk theatre tradition in 1984, building on the foundation laid by Bhikhari Thakur, who is considered the father of this art form. Videsiya, rooted in Bhojpuri culture, combines music, drama, and social commentary reflecting the lives of rural Bihar. Nautanki, Tamasha, and Jatra are distinct folk theatre forms from other regions of India. Question number 10. Who is recognized as a specialist of languages in Bihar? A. Dr. George Grierson, B. James Campbell, C. Taylor, D. Smith. Answer is A. Dr. George Grierson. Dr. George Grierson, a British linguist, is recognized as the specialist of languages in Bihar due to his extensive work on the Linguistic Survey of India. He documented and classified languages like Maithili, Bhojpuri, and Magahi, referring to them collectively as Bihari languages, contributing significantly to their study and recognition. So, major languages of Bihar, although is Hindi, Urdu, Maithili, Bhojpuri, Maghi are also considered as the primary language. Maithili is a scheduled language, while Bhojpuri and Maghi are widely spoken but not officially recognized in the 8th schedule. Literary figures of Bihar are Vidyapati for Maithili poetry, Bhikhari Thakur Bhojpuri folk theatre, Ram Vriksha Benipuri Hindi literature, and Rahul Sankrityayan Hindi and Buddhist scholarship. Cultural context: Bihar's linguistic diversity reflects its historical role as a cultural and educational hub, with influences from Mauryan Empire, Nalanda University, and Buddhist traditions.